Ikea.
And Mom, you're not going on your real phone. Come here.
Okay, so Karima and I are doing role play, right? I'm the seller and Karima is the buyer.
Okay,
and
I'm
I
not
have
a
to
baby.
sell her
We
some
should
rooms.
not.
So I shall do the honors of showing you some amazing rooms at Ikea.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the better part of the room. It's got these amazing lights that are so pretty.
Can I just go to sleep?
And look at this. I think you're gonna really like this. It's got like these shelves and the light. Okay, Garima, you're supposed to be interested. So what do you think of this room as overall? I think it's pretty good. It's got like amazing cupboards as well, which I cannot. Oh wow. See? That's the bed.
I don't like slides, and because they get.
Okay, what about these things? These little cute little furnishings. See? Something like this is pretty, isn't it? Do you like it? No? Okay, look at this mirror. Okay, I love this mirror.
Okay, this mirror.
It's pretty.
Mirror is nice.
So you made this your own house, huh?
Watching TV. Because in my kitchen.
Ooh, I like the kitchen. I like these. They are so nice. Anka can't lift a normal idli ka maker, but okay. Okay, I shall pick it up. Let Garima try. Ha! Avantika loser. Anoushka story.
Okay, it is heavy. So pretty.
That she's going to pick. Okay, I don't like it. What do you say?
I don't even know what you're saying.
What do you say? Gary, do you like the wallpaper?
Giving me Simba vibes.
True.
Like actual Simba vibes. Hey, we have that in our room.
Oh yeah. This is what I have. If you guys have seen my last video, then you guys will know.
Only if.
If you haven't, then watch it now.
No, don't.
Okay, it's too tall for me. I'm not that tall. Okay, so now Garima, we've done enough of viewing the bedrooms. Let's play a little guess the price. Okay, so we're going to the third floor, and from there we shall guess the price.
Pick up the vlog.
Yup, let's go.
Let's go.
Guys are leaving me alone. Gary. I can see you all. Let's run. It's a struggle. Oh, the bedrooms are so much prettier. Garima, look at this spot. Oopsie. Guess the price. 10,000?
Nope.
Then?
Give you 2 guess. 3.
Okay, so I guess it's 10,000. What do you think is the price of that? Of the thing that Garima is sitting on?
13.
Huh? 13,000. Okay. Garima, reveal the price.
It is 19,900.
Nah.
None of y'all were closer, but Avantika was closer.
Okay, fine. Okay, how much is... Oh, she can see the price, you stupid. It's literally in her eyes. Okay, wait. What's the price of... Okay, this thing, this jar. But you can't see it, so how much? No, that's all. That's the only view you get.
Sure.
How much is this?
1,500.
Garima, I swear if you saw the price. Okay.
No, I swear I'm not.
How much is it? 1,300.
Missed by
200.
Yes. Okay, now
So I made it to the event. It's all the way in Andheri. It was super early. I had to get up really early, but it's fine. and it's a little boring though. There's nothing much that I can do. But yeah, let me show you guys what I'm wearing.